Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and right in this video I'm going to be showing you an amazing strategy that you can use for day trading. So now let's go guys. The very first thing you want to know is that volume controls the market. Now what do I mean by volume controls the market? Without knowing how much volume you have in the market, you can't really tell the price direction, okay, of price action. You can never tell. So this is a function of how many buyers are in the market against how many sellers. All right, that is what the volume. Now, how do you use volume to make good and accurate predictions? It's actually very simple. All right, I'm going to show you right now from A to Z, walk you through the entire process and how to set this up for yourself. Stick with me to the end of this video. Don't go anywhere. This is MJ Crypto, guys. So right here in this amazing video, you can see I have two indicators set up right here on the chart. I'm on my Trading View right now. If you do not have your Trading View app, go to Google Play Store, download your Trading View and get that set up, and then watch this tutorial to the very end. Okay, I have two indicators set up right here. I have my support and resistance dynamics, which aids to actually show the area of support and resistance on a chart. And also I have my volume oscillator. Now, what is the volume oscillator? The volume oscillator is an indicator that shows you the amount of trades going on every single time frame. In other words, if the volume of buyers are high, it's going to tell you. And if the volume of sellers are also high, it's what's going to tell you. Now, I'm going to give you a quick hack before we delve into the strategy and show you how to actually put this indicator on your chart. When the price of an asset is coming down, the volume oscillator will show you if it is coming down with a high momentum. So in other words, the volume oscillator is a momentum-based indicator. All right, I'm going to repeat that and probably reiterate it. When the price of an asset is coming down, the volume oscillator will actually show you if it's coming down with a high momentum or not. All right, the volume oscillator will do that for you easily. Now, this is actually the BTC USDT chart. As you can see, I have my Hikinashi candlesticks right here. So I'm good to go. All right, so you can actually see right here that the volume oscillator, after being plotted on this chart, you can see right here, just watch this line. You can see the point where the price of BTC started falling. This is 15 minutes right here. You can see the volume oscillator started to rise. Okay, it started rising. It is rising because the volume is high. In other words, sellers are dumping massively. So that is why the volume oscillator is plunging upwards. Look at it right here. Look at it right here. It's plunging upwards. Okay, just watch my mouse. Look at it right here. This is the volume oscillator. This blue line right here. You can see it. So it's actually plunging upwards because the volume is high. Now, this goes the same way when the volume is high and the price of the asset is going up. Then you know that the trend towards that direction is a strong trend. Okay, right here we'll have a downtrend, but the downtrend is very high. So if you are taking a short position while the volume oscillator is actually going up, I'm so excited to release this information to you because it's going to make you some good cash without wasting so much time on technical analysis. All right, for those of you who do not understand how price action works. So when the volume oscillator is rapidly increasing and the price of an asset is falling, then the downtrend, you can say, is pretty much strong. Okay, it is very strong. Now, vice versa, it goes the same way. When the price of an asset is increasing rapidly, look at it right here, the typical example, you can see right here, the volume of an asset is increasing rapidly then you know that the word trend is high. It's a strong trend. And because the price of the asset is actually moving up. Look at the price right here. Look at the price right here. Moved from this position, moves from this position up to this position. You get it? You can see right here, from here to this position. You can see the rally, the very strong rally of price action. You can see right here, after this resistance was broken, it just plunged upwards. All right. So that is what the volume oscillator can actually do for you guys. Right about now, I'm going to show you how to get these two indicators right on your trading view. The free plan, you can actually get this, the support and resistance dynamics. You can also get that, and of course the volume oscillator. So if you want to actually get these indicator setups right here on your trading view, simply click on indicator section, go to indicators, and just type volume oscillator. You can see the very first one here. Okay, click on it and it's going to appear in your chart. I already have it, so I wouldn't do that because I already have it right here on my chart. So I'm going to edit this. I'm going to edit the style, the input as well. So I would put mine on 5 and 20. You can see 5 here, and you can see 20 here. The short length is going to be 5, and the long length is going to be 20. So you can edit yours to these parameters. All right. Now the reason I'm doing this is to ensure that I can capture some kind of what do you call it now? I can capture some accuracy on the higher time frames. That's why I said this strategy works on all time frames. All right, beautiful. So after I've done that, I would go over to my trading view indicator setup again and look for support and resistance dynamics. Okay, support and resistance dynamics. Okay, support and resistance dynamics, just search for it here by lonesome. You're going to see it. Okay, support and resistance dynamics. You are going to see your indicator right here, and then plot it. You do not need to edit this. You do not need to edit it. You do not need to edit it. It's already good to go like that. All right, basically. So guys, this is an amazing setup. This is not price action, although price action is included, but this is a wonderful setup, guys. Now, before I leave you, I told you from the outset that when the volume oscillator increases, it goes up, and the price of the asset goes up. That means we're in a strong uptrend, and we're going to have a quick rally to the upside if the volume oscillator is going up, meaning that volume is highly present, driving the price upwards. Okay, remember, volume is like the fuel. Now, if the volume starts decreasing, it is a high propensity that the trend is going to reverse. Okay, you can see this position here. You can see right here. You can see right here. Watch my mouse. You can see right here the volume oscillator at this point, these key levels. Watch my mouse. These key levels. You can see the consolidation right there. And if you check the price already formed a key pressure zone at this level. Okay, at this particular level, there was a key pressure zone. All right, now this key pressure zone is what's going to push the price downwards because volume is no longer present. It's just like moving a vehicle. A vehicle needs fuel to move, and that is what volume is. When you have enough volume in the market, the price will either go up rapidly or come down massively. So volume is like the fuel that drives the market. All right, good. So basically, this is one amazing strategy. You do not need trend channels and all of that to actually do this. Just wait for the resistance to be broken, and when you have a strong rally to the upside, you take a long position, put your stop loss just before the support, okay, before the previous support, and you're absolutely good to go. This is an amazing strategy. It works 98.9% of the time. I've backtested this 100 times, so I'm not talking myth right here to you. I'm telling you facts. Everything I say on this channel is strictly facts, all right? Backtested and trusted. Some of you must have gone through my CCI indicators, indicator setups that I used, and I gave it out free on this channel. You can get that on the link in the description of this video and follow up from there. So cheers, guys. I'm going to see you in the next video. I'm still thinking if I should do a BTC prediction video. But I have so many things on my desk right now, but I'm going to create time to actually feed you guys with that valuable information. All right. Cheers once again. I love you all. Peace out. This is MJ Crypto. Have a good time.